Good morning. I'm UIW weather student Khalil Ray. Take a look at our current conditions here in San Antonio. As you can see, we're sitting at a calm and very pleasant 71 degrees right now with a dew point of about 64 degrees, give or take. That's something that you can usually expect in the morning. So if you do walk outside, do expect your hair to be a little bit frizzy. I know that happens a lot. But overall, look at these temperatures. Very, very pleasant. Jacket weather, as a matter of fact, especially as you make your way up towards the hill country like Bulverde, Kerrville, and Rock Springs, still sitting in those 60s. And then, of course, as you make your way further towards the Rio Grande Valley, you are sitting in the mid 70s. Now, our expected highs for today are actually expected to be anywhere from the upper 80s to the low 90s. So, very, very comfortable weather for us. I know it's not that fall weather yet, but at least you get some of that in the morning, right? Something that you can hold on to. But overall, we're expected to reach about 91 degrees here in San Antonio, 92 in Carson City, 93 in Cotulla. That's going to be the hot spot for us for this forecast area today. And overall, looking at the surface analysis, we're going to be we're going to be watching this cold front that is expected to move through later on going into the weekend, which could potentially bring temperatures down just a little bit, but not too much. But anyways, we will take whatever we can at this point. And again, still enjoy some of those morning temperatures. And then after that, we're going to be watching a cold front that's coming in later on next week that is really supposed to bring down our temperatures. So keep on watch for that. Take a look at our satellite imagery. You see that this is the low right here that is expected to produce that weak cold front that's going to come through later on by this weekend, bringing some showers and storms. Some of these areas, especially in the mountains, you can really see those heavier cloud tops. And then taking a look at the radar, those blue areas, those are those areas that you're seeing snow in. And I know a lot of those ski resorts can use that, especially as they go to the October, November, December months. Now, taking a look at the tropics, we have Tropical Storm Lorenzo still alive, as a matter of fact. I'm really surprised it hasn't been ripped apart yet, but look at its shape. It's not in good shape at all, as a matter of fact. Winds are 40 miles an hour and a pressure of 1,005 millibars. Finally, instead of moving northwest, it has completed that turn and now moving straight to the north at about 13 miles an hour. And here's why it's really just not doing well at all. Look at all this wind shear. You see those purple and white colors. This is just ripping that storm apart. And not really surprised if it does dissipate later on today. And you can tell by that future track, even the National Hurricane Center doesn't really think it's going to last that long. That is just due to the abundance of wind shear in the area. Now, taking a look at our next 7 days, this is what you could really expect. We expect to see some really nice conditions today at a high about 91 degrees, but very sunny skies. So it's going to be amazing outside. Plus, very dry. So you're not really going to be dealing with that humidity either. And yes, that's what you can expect over the next 7 days. Highs anywhere from the upper 80s to the low 90s. But look at those morning temperatures, anywhere from the mid 60s to the low 70s. So yeah, I know fall temperatures. I know we're all complaining about it being hot outside, but at least you get to enjoy them in the morning, right? So that's something you have to hang your head up on, right? So overall, if you want more updates on your local weather and the tropics, go ahead and check us out at our YouTube page, UIW Weather.